Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the last video we did all these things. As you can see on the screen, we have declared some variables and we have created this function. This function is for to access font gallery so that user can upload his or her profile image. So today in this video we are going to design our sign up screen, and inside this sign up screen we will add a background image. But we need a image. For that I have on my desktop folder, and here you can see we will add this image in the backside of our sign up screen. I will provide you this image, don't worry. If you want to use any your own image, you can use, that's no problem. So just copy this, let's add into our Android Studio. Copy, come back to the Android Studio, right click on images and then paste and click on OK. Now we have this background image here. You can see we will add this inside our sign up screen in the background. So let's start to add this image and further things. So for that, let's remove this color here and write here image, decoration image, and inside the decoration image write image again and write asset image. Open it. Inside this we have to access our folder. Our folder is assets. Inside assets we have images. Inside images we have this bg signup.jpg. make sure match your spelling with the same file like this here. Now we want this image on full screen in the sign up screen, so we have to do fit box fit box fit dot cover. Now it will be on full screen. So now further thing is, after the decoration let's create one child and column. Inside this column let's add one padding so that there will be some space on the top. So padding, children, because inside column we have to mention children first. So this visit takes children. So now here write visit first. Inside this visit children's, here we have to padding and edge inset only top 0, and then make sure put comma, and inside this padding let's write our heading child text, and open this right here welcome to sign up, and let's give some style to this welcome heading. So style, text style, and then open bracket, and font size will be 22, and then font weight will be font weight dot w400, comma, and letter spacing, let's give some spacing between letters. Letter spacing will be 4. Let's break this code so you can see easily here. After this, before this style, let's press enter here like this, and here also. Now you can see, now you can see very well this, or you can press Control Alt plus L. So like this your code will be format like this. Now what we have to do, this is our heading and this is our style of this text. After this, what we have to do, after this padding we have to add one size box, and height will be 20. After this size box we have to add material widget, inside this put comma here first. Now inside this material we have child inkwell. This widget is used for to profile image inkwell, and this inkwell will be like if somebody will click on profile image, what have to do? So where we have to send our user? If somebody click on profile avatar logo, so where we have to send him? So obviously we have to send him phone gallery, so that he or she can choose its profile image and upload it. So here we have to pass on tap. Remember guys, what we have to pass here? We have to pass the same function we have created in last video above this one. So what will happen? Just come back and write here choose image. So we are passing this function here, so that what will happen when user will tap on the avatar, so user will go to the phone gallery, so that user can choose image and upload. Now after this, we have to pass this child circle avatar, and the radius will be underscore width, and it's showing error because we have to declare one variable about this width. So for that we have to use media query. Come back above here inside this, before this container, and here write double. It's a double type variable, and write here underscore width and media query, and just delete all these things here like this, and dot of context dot size dot width, like this. Declare one variable about this width like this, double width equal to media query of context dot size, like this. Now come back here and you will see the error has gone, and now multiply by 0.20. After this, background color will be white, and background image will be underscore image. And remember guys, what is this variable? This is the same we created here, this one. If this image equals to null, so we will pass null like this, nothing else. Upload file image underscore in the variable image, and it's showing error because it's null safety. So click on it, and here you will see this like this. Click on it and you will see this red bulb. Click on add a null check like this, exclamation here like this. So error has been gone. And after that, then pass one child underscore image. If this image equal to null, what we have to do? We have to show icon and icons dot add photo. This we will show this, and then comma size will be underscore width, width multiple 0.20, color will be colors dot white, and after this icon or null. So what we did actually, let me explain you. This is our container, and inside this container we have added one image, and it will display in the full screen in the background of our sign up form. And after that we have this column. Inside this column we created children. So children is padding. Inside this padding, why we use padding? Because we want to give margin, the space on the top is 0. We can change it accordingly when we will test the app, no problem. Then inside this padding, this widget have a one child, and child is text, and text is heading welcome to sign up, like this. And we have styled this, like font size of this heading 22, and font weight is W400, and letter spacing 4. This style is for this line, this heading. Then after that this padding close here, and after this we have one size box. Size box is nothing, it's just a widget, so that we can use this to give space, or between two widget give space, or inside this we can create a child. This size box is a good widget, so I use this widget to give space between this heading and between this profile image. So after that we are working on our profile here, profile image. So this is a widget. Inside this widget, material widget, we have this child incubable. It used for to choose image, and inside this incubable we have pass our function so that user can access phone gallery. Then after that we have this child circle avatar, and its radius this, and background color white, and background image. If image is equal to null, so it will not display nothing, it will display nothing. Else we will display the file image which user has chosen from her or his phone. Then after that we have child image. If image is equal to null, so we will show an icon add photo alternate, and the icon size will be this, and color will be white. Else null means nothing. We did all these things here. So simply, if anybody will choose image, so it will display image. If nobody choose images, so it will display this outer icon here, this icon here, this one you can see here. So now next is what we have to do. So let's press first Ctrl Alt L. Now our code has been formatted well. Now let's test the app, how it's look, it's working fine or not, if there is something missing or not, let's check it, and we will further things in the next video. Let's see first how it's look. So open your this phone screen, and then press this icon, run. And we have some issue here, unable to load asset image bg sign up.jpg. We have to check it. So guys, what we have to do, actually it's not accessing our asset image. For that, just go file and save all and close your project, like this, close, and then again open, and then it will save all the files. it will access assets, images, etc. Just save all and close your project and open again, and it will take a little time again. You can see here it's processing. Now rerun your application like this here. And now you can see our background image is displaying here. And but guys, you can see our heading on the top, and we have to little style this. So for that, come back here, and first of all here give style. After this, letter spacing, decoration, text decoration, this one dot none, so that it will not any style. Let's break this like this, and then give here uh, padding on the top, it's 200. And let's reload application again. And you can see this is our avatar here, and this, let's change the color of this avatar here. Come back and give it an orange color like this, and then come back again. Let's view hot reload and come back here. Now you can see this is the avatar and this is welcome screen. So let's make good this. Let's give color of this heading. Font weight should be 600 and letter spacing should be 3, and color will be black, colors dot black. Let's break the code first, guys, you will see good. Then black, colors dot black 87. Now hot reload here, and now you can see this is the heading here. And come back here, let's give the font weight dot bold default. Now you can see our heading is here. Let's give this 33 or 43 like this, and make guys this letter spacing 3 and top 200. Now hot reload, let's see. Now you can see this is the heading. So if we click on this avatar here, so we will access our phone gallery. So in the next video we will style this welcome to sign up. It's not looking well. We will change the font. We will add the Google fonts directly so that we can use our own font from the Google. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.